Everyone, good day. My name is Sheldon Henry and I am a admin manager at OMBFX. This video is only copyright and only to be solely used by OMBFX. Today, I want to speak to you about a reputable broker, PaxForex. One of the most challenges that most persons have living in the USA is getting a broker to sign up with. Most brokers around the world do not accept USA residents or persons living in the state to trade with. We at OMBFX want to give everyone an equal opportunity to earn passive income. So stay tuned with me while I take you through the journey of signing up with PaxForex. Alright, so the first thing we do to sign up with this broker is that we go to OMBFX website. Alright, so let me take you through the journey here. OMBFX website, here it is. And as I did in my last video, you can find a lot of interested content here. How to choose your right mentor and how to get the right coaching and choose the right person to coach you. So there's a lot of exciting stories here also. So you can browse through. If you have time, you can browse through and check out all of that. So the first thing we need to do is go to our menu. All right, we need to go to our menu and we select PaxForex broker. That's the broker we are working with, and that's one of the reputable broker who also accept US residents. All right, so we click on the broker. We scroll down where it says open an account with the broker. So we scroll down and open an account, and here you will see open real account. So we can click anywhere in here. All right, so we click in here to open a real account. All right, so we click in here, open a real account. It will show short account and it will show us full account. And short account, the minimum is $10 and can be more, and depending on the lot that you will be trading and on the leverage. It also gives you a leverage spread, and for those persons who want to make more money, they can go to open a full account. So full account, you will have a mini and a standard account, and a VIP account gives you the different amount that you can invest. So for a person who does not have a lot of money and wants to start small, they can actually go to the center account. For a person who wants to start medium, who want to invest a little bit more money, they can go to the mini account. And for standard account, a person who wants to earn more profits can go to a standard account or a VIP account. So for today's lesson, we are going to create a cent account. So we have our short, we have our cent right here. So what we do, we click on open. So once we click on open, it will give us a trading number. Well, I'm actually already logged into the system already, so all I would have to do is just add. But once you click on open, it will bring you to fill out some information. It will bring you to fill out your name, your address, your financial detail, the type of account you'll be trading. If it's a cent account, the leverage on the account, 1.50, standard account 1.500. That's what we use here at OMBFX. But before you choose a standard or the leverage on your account, please speak to us as OMBFX, as we can guide you depending on the amount of money that you're looking to invest. So once you have filled out all of those information, it will bring you right here. Okay, so once you have filled out all of those information here, you see account status. That's where you'll click to upload your document. So if we should click there, it will say ID, passport, proof of residence. So once we click any one of these, depending on what you're going to use for validation, you just click it and it will bring you to upload those documents. And once those documents are uploaded, you are actually Forex that your documents are being validated, and your metaphor. Your metaphor is also sent to your email address. So that metaphor you will have to keep it in a safe place so that when your account is validated, you can go back to us and give us at OMBFX. You can give us that metaphor, a login and email to our WhatsApp. You can give it to our email service. So you can contact any one of the admin and you can give it to us. Once you have given us that information, we will connect your account to our trading system so that you, the client, can see daily profit going into your account. So also you can create a demo account. So the last time we looked at demo account for persons who are interested in practicing, who are new to Forex, or even for those persons who are professional, they use a demo account in order to carry out to see if a strategy will work, or if they have a system, they use a demo account to test the system. So stay tuned for the next video. In the next video, we're going to be focusing on demo account, because we at OMBFX believe that every one of our members in the community should develop the skill that they can trade on their own, because trading is a life learning skill that everyone will need to learn, because it can bring you a very far way to reach your goal. Okay, so on behalf of OMBFX, once again I say, what good.